Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Stop before buying clothes and footwear for your kids. Watch this. I recently ordered a dress and footwear for my daughters, and honestly, I was super excited but also a little unsure. Will the quality be good and will it be comfortable? Let's find out in this real mom review. I ordered these cute dresses and matching footwear for my daughters, and the design looked amazing online, so I wanted to try them in real life. Let's unbox this together. Packaging is simple and neat. First, let's check the dresses. Wow, the color is so beautiful and exactly like shown online. The design is trendy and perfect for kids. The dress fabric is soft and comfortable, very important for kids' sensitive skin. Stitching is neat and strong. Now let's check the footwear, and it looks super cute and stylish. Material feels good and finishing is nice. And the footwear sole looks sturdy and safe for daily uses, and my daughter tried both, and honestly the fit is perfect and she feels comfortable and can walk and play easily. That's the most important thing for me as a mom. So overall I really liked both the dresses and footwear. Stylish, comfortable and good quality. Definitely a good pick for kids. If you are planning to buy cute outfits for your kids, you can check this out and link is in bio. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow for more honest mom reviews. Comment below if you want to more kids fashion review. And guys, if you want to purchase this product, then also link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye. Take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.